What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to edit your checkout and cart pages on your Wix e-commerce website. So as you know, Wix is a great website that you can use to build your own websites. It can be used to build many types of websites, including e-commerce or online stores, and that's what we are going to focus on in this video. So as you can see here, I'm on my Wix dashboard, and here are my previous sites that I created. And for this video, we are going to I'll show you how to edit the cart and checkout pages on this site. So my site 6 right here. So you can go ahead, and if you have already created a website and you want to edit it, just hover over it and then click on edit site. Or if you are just signing up, or you do not have any sites created, you just signed up to Wix, that's wix.com, and you can create your account. You can click here to create a new site, and you can choose from some ready-made templates or create a site from scratch. However, in this video here, I'll just show you on this site right here. So I'll click on edit site. It'll open the site in a new tab right here. Now our site is now loaded in the editor, and here is how it looks like. I'll show you in a second how to edit it. However, let me show you some steps you need to make sure you complete before you can accept payments and even access the checkout page or like start selling the product. So if I hover over the same site and then click on select site, it'll open the site settings or site settings dashboard setup. So here, as you can see, I need these are the steps I need to make in order to start accepting payments and selling products. So I need to connect a custom domain, add a first product. Since I haven't added any products, I am showing you the dummy products that were in the template itself. And I need to set up a shipping and delivery and set up a payment methods. Now that's pretty important to set up the payment method in order to even view the checkout page. So if I click on set up payments, as you can see here, I have manual payments. So that's like cash on delivery or like bank deposit, stuff like that. And I have PayPal. So you can click on connect to connect your PayPal account and start receiving payments. And as you can see here, when I tried to connect a manual payment method, it says that I'm not accepting payment right now, and I need to upgrade to a premium plan. That's a paid plan. So that's pretty much the problem. You need to have a paid plan in order to actually accept payments and start selling the products themselves. So in the site itself, in the site editor, if I go here to the pages, and as you can see here, I have in the store page, I have the category cart thank you page. That's the page after you complete your purchase, and the product page. So you cannot find here a checkout page, since, as I told you, you need to be subscribed to a paid plan and to set up payment methods and stuff like that. So I'll show you how to edit the cart page, and the same principle would apply to any of these pages, including the checkout page. So if you are subscribed to a paid plan and you set up all the steps that I showed you before in the site settings, so like payment method, shipping and delivery and stuff like that, you should see a checkout page right here. So let me show you how to edit the cart page. And you can also access it in here. So like in home, that's showing me that I'm editing the home page. If I click on it, I can choose here the cart page, the pages. And if I click on manage pages, it'll get me to the site pages menu that I was on. So let's click on the cart page. And let's close this menu. And as you can see, the cart page is empty. That's because we haven't added any products to the cart yet. So let's click here on preview to preview our website. That's how our website will look like. Let's go to the shop. And let's select any product, any random product. As I told you, these are dummy products. These aren't actual products that I added. Let's choose a color. And let's click on add to cart. And as you can see, it's added to cart. So that's how a cart with products will look like. Now let's click on edit site, and you'll start editing the page, the cart page with the product in. So of course you can do all your basic editing. So any element, you can click on it. You can select like the menus themselves, like the blocks, and edit the background, the font, the color, and so on. And here I can choose if I want to add the menu container, that's the like the background, the block, or the menu items, so the text and the here the text, like the style, the font, the text size, and the borders, the corners, and stuff like that. And however, what I'm interested in, or what I want to show you in this video, is the cart container, so the cart section itself. Here I can click to manage payments from within this page, or I can click on settings here to go to the cart page settings. I have the main menu. I can here manage the business or customize the cart. I want to customize the cart. So here I have shipping, show shipping and delivery rates. Okay, so as you can see here, the shipping and delivery isn't shown. And once I click on it, it shows here. Okay, as you can see, the delivery rate and the total. Now the promo code link, I can disable it if I do have a promo code. Add a note, I can add a note if I want to. Show the link, I can show the link and not show. So here, continue browsing. What does the link do? It links to adds to your home screen, or redirects you to your home screen. I can show buttons or not show buttons. I can click on design to start designing this section. So the background color and opacity, I can choose, like, for example, a blue background color, and I can increase the opacity. As you can see, the background color changes. Dividers, opacity, and colors. So the divider lines here between different sections. The tiles, I can select a font right here. So let's select this font. As you can see here, the titles change the font, and I can change also the font color. Let's make them red, for example. Okay, the body, let's change the font. Okay, and let's change the color as well. Let's make it like this purple color. The buttons, I can change the button style. I like this rounded one. The button fill, opacity, and color, let's make it like this green. The border width and color, okay, let's increase the border width, so the border for the button itself. And here I can change the text font for the button, the style, let's say paragraph, and the font itself, let's choose this one. And now the button style and appearance. Okay, so here you can change pretty much all the design elements. The text itself, so the page title, my cart. Okay, you can change it to cart if you want to. Now the continue browsing link, that's the link that was appearing here. You can leave it as it is. The empty cart message, cart is empty. The promo code message, enter a promo. Add note message, checkout, next button, or next button will say checkout. Let's change it, for example, to go to checkout. And as you can see, once we click away, the text will be edited, and we can add a disclaimer if we want to. So let's say payment is cash. Okay, enter. And as you can see, this text is added right here. And now if I click on upgrade, I'm redirected to the upgrade page where I can upgrade my account just maybe later. And here I've edited pretty much all the elements in the cart page. Now to edit the pricing and the delivery, I need to go to the product page itself and edit the color. So I need to go to the site settings and edit the price and the shipping rates for all the elements, or all the products, sorry, in the website. And as I told you, since I do not have a checkout page in the pages here on my site, I don't have the possibility to show you how to edit the checkout page itself. However, the same principle or editing method will apply to any page, including the checkout page. So that's how easy it is to edit elements in the cart and checkout page in the Wix website.